Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites: network, date/time, and OS level. Once done, force close the App Store and restart the device to clear transient cache. If you use Wi-Fi, switch to cellular briefly to rule out router issues. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. Sign out and back in if authentication stalls. These steps clear most startup blockers so you can proceed to deeper diagnostics without losing time. Once the basics are done, run deeper diagnostics. Reset network settings to remove stale routes and flush DNS if available. Check firmware and free up storage. Low space can stop downloads. Verify App Store permissions like cellular downloads and background app refresh. If you use a VPN or proxy, disable it temporarily because it can block store servers. Make sure any parental controls or enterprise profiles are not restricting purchases or updates. But now finish by applying last resort solutions. Back up your data and reinstall pending App Store updates or the OS if corruption persists. If downloads still fail, try signing into the store on a different device to determine if it's account level. Contact account support for purchases, billing, or verification problems. They can inspect server logs and flags. One key tip: if the store works elsewhere, the issue is local to your device. Focus on resets, profiles, or a clean OS restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.